Hello, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to start meshing the gears and getting them turning together. So this is a very exciting video because you'll start to see some of the animations that go into Autodesk Inventor. So the first thing you want to do is drop down your wheel assembly, right click on the wheel and uncheck visibility for right now. You don't want to be able to see it. And do the same on the next wheel assembly. Drop down the menu here and right click on wheel assembly and uncheck visibility so that you do not see those. Now what we want to do is mesh the gears planes, and we want to use a constraint for this. So we're going to constrain, do a face constraint or a mate constraint, and we're going to mate the two planes together, the tooth of one with the trough of another that we created in the previous video. And when we do this, oops, I think I grabbed the wrong face here. Cancel and try again. Constrain, mate constraint, grab the tooth here, and then grab the trough. Let me see if I can get it this time. It's being tricky. Alright, now if I zoom in here, you can see that the tooth is lined up in the trough. Hit apply, and now we're going to do a motion constraint, and we want these gears rotating opposite directions. So I'm going to do a rotation constraint on this one, and then again with this one, and that'll get him rotating in opposite directions. Hit apply, exit this. Now you can try to turn it, but it won't turn because we have this mate here that's causing problems. So go ahead and go to your mate constraint, right click on it, and what you want to do is you want to suppress that relationship for right now so that the gears turn together in opposite directions, and now the gears are meshing and turning together. However, this one over here is not, so let's go ahead and fix that one. So turn this gear into place just a little bit, just so you can see it. Do a constraint, mate constraint, and we're doing the same exact thing we did here. A trough of one with the, if I can get it, tooth of another, and hit apply. Do a motion constraint, reverse rotation, one and then the other. Hit apply. Now we have to go through, find wheel assembly 2. Let's exit out of this. Find wheel assembly 2, mate, right click on it and suppress it. Now when I turn one, you can see that they're all turning now. And at this point we can go ahead and make our 4-inch diameter wheel visible again. So make it visible, or just go ahead and push Alt-V to make the other one visible. And if you look back, you can see the wheels turning together. So that's very exciting. Let me look at a different angle, or show you at a different angle. I turn one wheel, the other one's turning the same direction because of the gear in the center there. Alright, I will see you in the next video where we will mirror one side to the other.